Hello, today we will guide you through how to change profile picture on Meta Business Suite. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to update your profile picture directly inside Meta Business Suite. This is a simple process, and once you know where the controls are, it only takes a few moments to complete. To begin, go to Meta Business Suite and open the business page you want to manage. Make sure you're in the correct account or page before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one business profile. Starting from the main home area of Meta Business Suite helps ensure you can see all the page management options clearly. Once you're on the page, move your mouse over the current profile picture. Hovering over the image usually reveals available actions or makes it easier to access the editing options connected to your page branding. If you don't immediately see a change, just keep your cursor positioned over the profile picture area for a moment. Next, click on Edit Page. This will take you into the section where you can make changes to your page details, including visual elements like your profile image. This area is useful anytime you want to refresh your brand appearance or update account information. After that, look toward the top right of the profile section and click the edit icon for the profile picture. This icon opens the image settings for your page picture, allowing you to replace the current image with a new one. Take a second here to confirm that you're editing the profile picture and not another image, such as the cover photo. You'll then be given the option to select a sample picture or click Upload. If you already have the image you want saved on your device, choosing Upload is usually the best option. If you're testing the feature or reviewing available image choices, you may also see a sample picture option. For best results, use a clear, high-quality image that represents your business well and looks good even at smaller sizes. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure to upload and change the picture. Depending on your device or browser, you may be asked to choose a file, crop the image, adjust its position, or confirm the update before saving. Follow each prompt carefully until the new profile picture is applied. Once the update is complete, your new image should appear on the page. If it doesn't show right away, give it a moment to refresh. That's how to change your profile picture on Meta Business Suite.